the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Coolpad Snap for Virgin Mobile USA. So this is a flip phone, guys, so do keep that in mind. The Coolpad Snap is $29.99, so it is what it is. So this would be a great backup phone, burner phone, trap phone, whatever you guys want to call it. So this is what the Coolpad Snap looks like. So basically your generic flip phones, nothing really get too excited about here. So you guys have your camera on the front, you guys have an external display, you guys have volume on the left side, you guys have a button on the right side, probably camera button, I guess, I don't know. You guys have a headphone jack, I'm not sure if it's 3.5 or whatever. I'm just thick as hell. Y'all see that? There's the inside of the Coolpad Snap. You guys have the screen there, your standard numeric keypad. So yeah, I'm guessing this is a power camera button on the right side, because the power button's right there where your in key is. So there's a back of the Coolpad Snap. You guys have a speaker and Coolpad burning, and that's pretty much it. Okay. Now, of course, how it works is you guys order the phone you guys want, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a new contract plan, and then activate online. Keep your number or get a new one, of course. The Coolpad Snap keeps you connected to the essentials of everything you need to call, text, stay calendar appointments, and reminders. Staying in touch has never been easier thanks to the easy-to-use navigation, large keypad, and convenient dedicated keys. Alright. The Coolpad Snap has a 2.8-inch touchscreen display. It's interesting. 2-megapixel camera with autofocus. 6 hours of talk time on Android. AOSP or whatever. Specs on the Coolpad Snap. The firmware is 4.16 ounces, talk time 6 hours, Snapdragon 210 1.1 GHz quad core, Android AOSP, so the Android Oreo AOSP, so that's interesting. It has a 2.8-inch touchscreen display, 5 MB of RAM, and 4 GB of internal storage with support for micro SD cards up to 32 gigs. The dimensions of the Coolpad Snap is 4.29 inches length, 2.17 inches width, and 0.74 inches depth. The Coolpad Snap has Bluetooth 4.2. Battery is 1390 milliamp, and it is removable, so that is very nice. What you guys get in the box, you guys get the Coolpad Snap, micro USB charger, endpoint information, booklet, get started guide, English and Spanish, SIM card installed already. If you guys need help with your Coolpad Snap, Virgin Mobile have with device support. Want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all your random applications. If you guys want phone insurance, they got you covered. Whether you're a drop phone or just want peace of mind, you can protect your new phone from damage, loss, or theft for just $7 a month. Payload, then certified payload. Runs eligible for phone insurance. So yeah, they got a Coolpad Snap at Virgin Mobile for $29.99. This would be a great backup phone, trap phone, whatever. So if you guys need a backup phone, this would check it out. So it has a touchscreen, which is interesting. So yeah, they guys have a Coolpad Snap $9.99 at Virgin Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, if it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.